this is Suhail over here. Hi, Sally. Double Mubarak आपको. First of all, तो being a proud mother, or second, getting associated with Jal. How do you express your happiness?
I am beyond happy about everything. जो मेरे life में अभी हो रहा, I'm gonna knock on wood. अच्छा हो रहा है. My personal life and my professional life, I'm able to endorse a brand that is completely mainstream, that is water. I mean, this is, when I first heard that I was going to be endorsing a water brand, I was like, get out of here, no way. And, you know, of course, Daniel ने मुझे बोला था कि हाँ, हम पानी endorse करेंगे. And पानी का नाम, the name of the brand is Jal. And जब मैंने वो visuals देखे थे, सब कुछ देखा था, पानी का taste किया, सब कुछ, it's a no-brainer to be able to say yes to a brand like this. And as far as my personal life, I'm extremely happy. Okay, one and last question on this, because today's all about gel, right? So actually मैं आपको वो feeling महसूस आपको नहीं बता सकती हूँ, क्योंकि दिल में क्या है when you see this little face, and जब वो आपको देखती है, smile करती है, हंसती है, I mean, आप तो पिघल जाएंगे, ऐसा feeling है. So, and it's just, it's amazing. And then no more questions about this.
Yeah, can we not ask personal questions?
Yeah, later.
आपने जल के साथ शुरुआत की, फिर आप कहीं और चले गए. आपकी मम्मी से पूछना चाहूंगा, जब आप पैदा हुए थे, आप उनको कैसी फीलिंग थी?
सनी, जल ही जीवन है. जल ही जीवन है. What is jal?
कहाँ हैं आप?
What is jal for you, Sunny?
Jal is life.
And something more?
Of course. Jal is life. We can't live without water. Pani ke bina nahi. How do you say that in Hindi? You can't live without it. जी नहीं सकते. And I believe that जो आप body के अंदर डालते, like your food, pani, everything that you do reflects on your skin, reflects on कैसे दिखते, how you feel, all these different things. And water is the key element of how you feel. जब पानी नहीं पीते, then क्या होता है? You feel dehydrated, you feel down, you feel low. But जब आप पानी पीते, you feel energized and you feel amazing. And as far as, you know, outside इतना गर्मी है that you have to drink a lot of water to stay hydrated.
And how did you get associated with the producers? I don't know the name.
Mr. Chatwal and Mr. Bedi.
Chatwal. And जैसे जल उनके लिए 40 साल तक वेट कर रहा था, आप कितने साल तक वेट कर रही थी?
पानी के लिए?
हम जल की बात कर.
I live for it.
To get associated with him, aren't you lucky?
Sure. Being associated with the production, Mr. Chatwal, everybody who's associated with this brand that's worked on Jal, it's an absolute honor. I mean, you're dealing with a brand and with a company that's as honest can be. Mr. Chatwal के stories इतने अच्छे और इतने funny है, मैं पूरा दिन सुन सकती हूँ. And shooting on set and being, you know, with everyone has been, it's been, you couldn't even ask for a more pitch perfect scenario, shooting. Everything that we've done, all of our associations together have all been happy, and I'm very proud to be endorsing water.
Yeah, Mr. Chatwal, there is one question for you. Yeah. This, we have got this in the background, these Himalayas and this, that. Earlier also there was some, this water, in spring water was there. So what is the basic concept of this? You are bringing the water straight from there, from the Ganges, or what is it exactly?
I didn't get you what
see, what we see in the backdrop is the Himalayas, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now this Jal, like you are saying, it's a natural mineral water. Mm-hmm. So is it straight from the Himalayas you are getting the spring water right from the top mountains? Because that water is very fresh. You don't need to distill it as such. You can straight away drink it. So is it such kind of a concept, or it's like regular water we are getting in the market, like Bisleris and all those, the same pattern? What is so different about this Jal as compared to the other waters in the market?
किसी चश्मे या नदी से नहीं आ रहा. ये 1500 फुट डीप हमारी धरती में ना कैनाल चलती हैं.
हाँ.
धरती में नीचे जाके कनाल चलती हैं, और एक कनाल है जो बर्फ़ मेल्ट होती है हिमालय पर्वत पे, उससे चलती चलती कनाल आती है, एंड वी गॉट ए वर्जन कनाल। सो ये नेचुरल मिनरल वाटर है, इसमें कोई आरओ नहीं इस्तेमाल होता, कोई आर्टिफिशियल फिल्ट्रेशन नहीं की जाती,
कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है, स्ट्रेट अवे बॉटल किया आपने?
या
अच्छा अच्छा।
We'll take 2 more questions.
मिनरल वाटर इज द नेचुरल वाटर, इट कम्स फ्रॉम द नेचुरल सोर्स। बरसात हुई, बर्फ़ जम गई, यू नो रेन वाटर इज़ द बेस्ट वाटर। सो हियर इट इज़ फ्रीज्ड फ्रॉम रेन, व्हेन द रेन मेल्ट्स इट गोज डीप इनटू द canals. There are canals underground, and we have tried one canal from where we are getting it. We are not doing any chemical variation with this product. It is what God has given, is being just filtered by carbon and sand filter because of the any particle coming along with it, and filled in the bottles. ये रियल मिनरल वाटर है जो जो Then get repeat again.
So he's asking about the price.
सर कोई भी ब्रांड नेचुरल मिनरल वाटर नहीं दे रहा, आप पैक्ड वाटर ले रहे हो। दिल्ली में आप क्रॉसिंग के ऊपर रुको, बच्चे आपको एक थैली देते हैं, जहाँ से मर्जी ना वो नलके से पानी भर के वो देते हैं। ये जो पैक्ड वाटर मार्केट में आते हैं, दे आर ऑल अनरिलायबल। इनकी कोई TDS डाउन करने के लिए उन्होंने उसको RO कर दिया, 100% टोटल डिजॉल्व सॉल्वेंट ख़त्म ही हो गए, ज़ीरो हो गया। Have you ever, any of you drinken distilled water? ये distilled water की तरह it becomes tasteless, mineralsless, can be drawn from any source in the place. जलंधर में ही एक छोटा सा लगा लो, बॉम्बे में एक छोटा सा लगा लो, अहमदाबाद में एक छोटा सा लगा लो, anywhere they have more than 100 units. If you visit their factory, you will not like to drink packed water again.
All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for all your questions. And thank you to our distinguished personalities here.